name is Rees. I'm the tech lead at ToffeeX, and we're a CAD CAE software company based in London. Our technology fundamentally is a software tool that people can use to generate extremely high performance designs for thermal management components like heat sinks and heat exchangers. So we've got a demo of our software set up here, but most importantly, we have in a bunch of success stories from our customers, a bunch of manufactured components that have been tested and shown to actually do what it says on the tin. So we chose to exhibit here because of how targeted it is as a show. So we think one of our biggest value adds is in thermal management components. And so it kind of lines up perfectly. Yeah, so we would definitely recommend it, purely for the reasons I said before. It is so targeted, and it allows us to make maybe not as many connections as some of the bigger shows, but they're much higher value connections. I would say I'd go beyond that. I think trade shows like these are crucial for the sector. If I look at our lead generation at ToffeeX, almost all come from in-person events like Thermal Management Expo, right? And because I believe we can just make higher quality connections with people and build better relationships with prospects and customers. I think what we've had a lot of interest for people looking for semiconductor cooling solutions. So obviously things like data center cooling, chip cooling for smartphones, for high power electronics, antennas and this sort of things. So I've had a lot of people come by looking for solutions to their thermal management problems in those contexts. Data center cooling, electronics cooling, it really seems that this is where there's a huge market here, especially in data centers, because they're getting so big and so expensive to run, and if you can offer someone 1% or 2%, they'll bite your hand off, basically. So that's really cool. And another thing which one thing I'd like to see a little bit more of is people willing to sort of iterate a little faster, do a bit more agile hardware development. And we see that a little bit with some of the additive manufacturing approaches, but it's something I'm looking for to see a little bit more of around the people coming by here and at the show.